Kawasaki Versys X 300 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. Embarking on the exciting journey of motorcycling as a beginner requires the right companion, a motorcycle that not only instills confidence but also encourages exploration. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 emerges as a remarkable choice for novice riders, especially those with a penchant for adventure and exploration. With its versatile design, approachable performance, and alluring aesthetics, the Versys X 300 proves to be an exceptional entry point into the world of motorcycling, offering a taste of both on-road and off-road adventures. A glimpse of adventure. The Versys X 300's design exudes the essence of adventure. It blends a rugged demeanor with modern styling cues, creating a visual appeal that promises exciting journeys ahead. This aesthetic balance caters to riders who seek a versatile machine capable of transitioning seamlessly between city streets and off-road trails. For beginners eager to explore the world beyond the asphalt, the Versys X 300 opens the door to thrilling adventures. Compact powerhouse. At the heart of the Versys X 300 lies a 296cc parallel twin engine. This compact yet capable powerplant delivers a harmonious blend of power and efficiency, making it ideal for both urban commutes and off-road escapades. With around 39 horsepower at its disposal, the engine strikes a balance that allows novice riders to become familiar with the throttle's responsiveness without feeling overwhelmed. This gradual power delivery is pivotal for building riding skills progressively. Adventure-ready ergonomics. One of the standout features of the Versys X 300 is its rider-friendly ergonomics. The upright seating position offers a commanding view of the road ahead while promoting rider comfort, making it an ideal choice for extended journeys. The wide handlebars provide excellent control, enhancing maneuverability in various riding conditions. Additionally, the comfortable saddle allows for extended periods in the saddle without inducing fatigue, a crucial factor for riders who are still developing their stamina. Agile and nimble. Weighing in at around 385 pounds, the Versys X 300 is a lightweight machine that excels in both agility and maneuverability. Negotiating tight city streets, navigating through traffic, and tackling winding roads become effortless tasks, enabling beginners to focus on honing their riding skills. This nimbleness extends to off-road adventures, where the Versys X 300's compact size allows riders to explore trails and terrains with confidence. Dual-purpose performance. The Versys X 300's dual-purpose nature is one of its most appealing traits. Its suspension is tuned to handle both on-road and off-road conditions, ensuring a smooth and composed ride regardless of the terrain. The long travel suspension soaks up bumps and imperfections with ease, enhancing rider comfort and control. This versatility equips riders to explore a diverse range of landscapes, from city streets to gravel paths. Confidence-boosting handling. For beginner riders, the Versys X 300 offers an approachable and confidence-boosting handling experience. Its low seat height allows riders to comfortably plant their feet on the ground, enhancing stability during stops and low-speed maneuvers. Moreover, the bike's narrow profile and well-balanced weight distribution contribute to a sense of control, a vital aspect of building riding confidence. Adventure-ready features. The Versys X 300 comes equipped with features that cater to both novice and experienced riders. Its long travel suspension, spoked wheels, and protective bodywork are designed to handle the challenges of off-road adventures. Additionally, the bike offers optional accessories such as luggage mounts and handguards, further enhancing its utility for long-distance journeys. Economical efficiency. For those new to motorcycling, cost-effectiveness is a critical consideration. The Versys X 300's fuel-efficient engine not only reduces the frequency of fuel stops but also ensures that running costs remain reasonable. This economical advantage aligns well with the financial considerations of beginners. A foundation for exploration. The Kawasaki Versys X 300 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a passport to exploration and discovery. As beginners develop their riding skills, they'll find themselves becoming more adept at tackling diverse terrains and gaining the confidence to venture beyond the beaten path. Whether it's a scenic road trip, a leisurely cruise, or an off-road adventure, the Versys X 300 serves as a versatile foundation that accommodates a wide range of riding experiences. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Versys X 300 stands as a testament to adventure and exploration. For beginner riders seeking a motorcycle that offers both on-road comfort and off-road capability, the Versys X 300 answers the call. With its balanced power, agile handling, and dual-purpose design, it caters to riders eager to embrace the world of motorcycling and embark on exciting journeys. As a gateway to adventure riding, the Versys X300 introduces novices to the joys of exploration, camaraderie, and self-discovery on two wheels.